Hey guys, this is Brad Barnes with Barnes 4-Wheel Drive. Today we're going to take a little closer look at our Rci 2161A fuel cell mount. You know, this is a really popular fuel cell for off-road applications. It's a nice compact size, it fits behind the seat of a Wrangler, but unfortunately the factory mounting feet that are welded onto the fuel cell just aren't suitable for an off-road application. Our fuel cell mount, as you'll see, encapsulates the corners on the top and also supports it here on the bottom edges. This will securely mount your fuel cell and you don't have to worry about the factory feet breaking off. Hey guys, thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you out on the trail soon.